Listen, they messed around a couple years ago and gave a little country boy a little song to sing, and I'ma see if y'all know it. But for everybody in this building, if you think, I need you to get out of your seats and come on and clap those hands. Everybody, come on and clap those hands right now. Listen, that's good enough for me, but if he's been real good to you, I don't care where you are. Let me see you, let me hear you. Clap those hands like you're thankful. Everybody right now, do it. Listen, what we're gonna do is take time and name a few things that God has done for us. And if he's done the same thing for you, open up your mouth and tell the Lord about. Everybody tell thank you, early this morning when I got up out of my bed, had my eyes I could see, had my legs I couldn't walk.